Good morning, Miss Kara. God's blessings to you. I am going to try and share with you what I see as far as the questions you're missing in, I believe it was J11, using the stem leaf plots. Okay, so first of all, look, here is the data set right here. Okay, these are all numbers in your data set. Okay, and as you look at those numbers, you go down to your stem leaf plot, and the stem shows the tens column, the leaf shows the ones column. So the digit in the stems column, they've done the teens for you. So they put a 1 there, and that's all taken care of. And then the twos or the 20s, they haven't done anything with. The 30s, the 40s, the 50s, the 60s are all taken care of. The 70s are not. So you're looking for 20s and 70s. So let's go back here. They did not arrange these in numerical order for you, so it makes it a little more challenging. You've got to make sure you're being very careful. But as I look through this particular data set, I see one number that is in the 20s. So I would put a 2 here for the 20s and a 6 here for the 6 ones. Okay. And then we're looking for numbers in the 70s. I find 1, 75, and as we continue to look down the line, there's another one, 79. So I would put a 7 here for the 70s, and then a 5, and then a 9. Okay, that would be the correct answer. All right, let's look to see what you actually put down. Okay, here's your answer right here. You did put a 2 for the 20s and a 6 with 6 ones, and then you put a 7 for the 70s and a 5, but you left out the 9. Okay, so that's why you missed that question. Now let's go down to the other question that you missed and see if we can figure out why you missed that. Here it is. Okay, so here's your data set. Excuse me. You have the following numbers here in your data set. And this is kind of nice because they arrange them for you in order from least to greatest, which is really helpful. Okay. Now, this very first one, you look at below it and you see a 1. So you know they've done the teens, but there's no single digits as far as just ones, no tens. So this would be the 0 column, and this would be the ones column, or the 0 for there's 0 tens, so you'd have 0 in the tens column, and this would be a single digit. Okay, and then this would be the 20s, so you'd have a 2 and then the single digits. Okay, so looking at your numbers, you only have one number, that 5, that is, see if I can make that a little clearer, that is a single digit. So you would put a 0 here and a 5 here. Okay, and let's go down, let's check the 2s, or the 20s I should say. You have 3 20s, and it's nice that they put them all in order. So you would put a 2 here, and then in the leaf you'd put a 3, a 4, and a 7. Okay, so let's see what you answered. Okay, so your answer, you put a 5 here in the stem, which remember is the tens. So this number would actually be 55. Okay, and it should just be a 0 here and a 5 there. You got the 2s or the 20s correct, but you missed the single digits, which you would have to have a 0 there and a 5 there. Okay, I hope this video helps you better understand what went on with your stem and leaf plot. If you still have questions, please let me know. Bye.